Hello friends, welcome back. Today's topic is highway development. Highway development in India, the first World War period and that immediately following it found a rapid growth in motor transport. So, need for better road become a necessity. Some of the highway development plans in India are JAICAR Committee, Central Road Fund, Indian Road Congress, Central Road Research Institute, Motor Vehicle Act, National Highway Authority of India, First 20-year road plan, second 20-year road plan, Highway Research Board, National Transport Policy Committee, third 20-year road plan. JAICAR Committee. The Government of India appointed a committee called Road Development Committee with Mr. M. R. JAICAR as the chairman. This committee came to be known as JAICAR Committee. In 1927, JAICAR Committee for Indian Road Development was appointed. The major recommendations and resulting implementations were road development should be made a national interest since the provincial and local government do not have financial and technical capacity for road development, and extra tax on petrol from road users to create the Road Development Fund. The committee suggested for additional taxation on motor transport like vehicle taxation, license fee for vehicle and extra tax levied on petrol. This led to the introduction of Development Fund, which is called as the Central Road Fund, and to establish a semi-official technical institute to pool technical knowledge, sharing of ideas, and to act as an advisory body. So this is established as Indian Road Congress IRC in 1934 to create a national level institution to carry research and development work and consultation. This resulted in the formation of Central Road Research Institute. Central Road Fund. The Central Road Fund CRF was formed on 1st March 1929. The consumer of petrol were charged an extra amount of 2.64 paisa per litre of petrol to build up this Road Development Fund. Indian Road Congress, a semi-official technical body called as Indian Road Congress. The central semi-official body, which is formed in the year 1934 to provide national forum for regular pooling of experience and ideas on matters related to construction and maintenance of highways. It is an active body controlling the specification, standardization, recommendations on materials, design of roads and bridges. It publishes journal, research publication and standard specifications and guidelines for the construction of roads and bridges, and it provides a platform for expression of professional opinion on matters relating to roads and road transport. Central Road Research Institute CRRI, which is formed in the year 1950 at New Delhi for research in various aspects of highway engineering, engaged in carrying out research and development projects, design, construction and maintenance of road and runways, traffic and transportation planning of mega and medium cities, management of roads in different terrains. So improvement of marginal materials, utilization of industrial waste in road construction, landslide control, ground improvements, environmental pollution and road traffic safety. The CRRI is one of the national laboratories of the Council of Scientific and Industrial Research. Thank you.